Butterfly doors up outside of the coupe. We in black suits. Crisscross lace on the all black Rico and boots. I'm a veil chopping your teeth for me.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy D and I am back with another video, man. I swear to God on my life, never shot from Temu. I always heard about it, I always seen it, but I always thought it was a scam. I don't know why. Something it just screams scam to me. Like, I finally decided to cave in, do this for y'all. But yeah, man, before this video begin, make sure you like, comment. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to join the gang. And also, if you're new to the channel, my name is D. I go by D Unreal. I love thrifting, I love traveling, I love spontaneous shit like hiking, fishing one day. More of the story, I'm just an introvert who love to make videos, and I hope you stick around for the journey. Didn't talk too much, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so the first item is this chain. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I already opened this. If you watched my last video, I showed y'all this in my last video, but this is just like a chain I got. And I'm also pop up how much I paid for everything. This is the first piece that I have. It's a pearl cross. I think it's pretty, I ain't gonna lie, I think it's pretty fire, bro. Like, I'm not gonna cap. I'm gonna try it on for y'all, of course, you know what I'm saying? I really was looking for, you know, some accessories, some jewelry. Let me tie my hair back. Hold on. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I really wanted like some gold pieces. All my jewelry is mostly silver, and I'm trying to get out of that, you know what I'm saying? Gold has been speaking to me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm wearing V-Lone in 2024, I know. So this is the chain on body, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty fire, bro. Like, look at it, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this is pretty fire for the price. Like, you see me in person with this on, are you talking to me, bro? I look fly as fuck, what the fuck? All right, y'all, so the next thing I bought is this McDonald's bag. I might be asking, D, what the fuck do you have going on? This shit says, I'm loving eat. It don't say I'm loving it, it say I'm loving eat, bro. Hear me out, bro. This is a cool bag, bro. Like, it's really fire to me. Look. Okay, D, stop all the bullshit. Why did you get this bag? I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I got this for a fit, bro. And I'm gonna show y'all what piece I got. This is an early leak just for y'all, I got hella new shit. Bro, I got it to wear with this shirt, exclusive leak. This shirt is fucking fire, bro. Bit I got with this is gonna be crazy, but I got it to go with this shirt. But if you look at the yellows, they're fucking different, bro. When I seen that shit, bro, that shit broke my heart. So I'm guessing you supposed to fold this, supposed to attach these. This how it come. This how it come, by the way. I think you're supposed to attach these. I'm so confused. Do you not attach these? My nigga, am I slow?
A few minutes later.
All right, y'all, this is the best I got. This is the best I got. This shit might be ass. Not gonna lie, seeing this in person, I kind of regret my decision. The thought was there. Y'all see the vision, but nah. Imagine me with an iced out chain. Oh my God. I would look tough as hell. Like, I'm taking your bitch, and I'm taking your bitch. Like, that shit crazy. All right, y'all, so this came today. It's mostly gonna be chains because I wanted more gold accessories. We finna see, we finna review them, see how they look. Okay, so we got a package. Within a package, we got this hat. The pictures made this look way better, bro. This shit looking ass, and it looks small as fuck, bro. D, what was you thinking, bro? Like, let me try this on. The hat doesn't fit on my head, bro. I look dumb as hell, bro. People, what the fuck is going on? Now I'm mad, bro. The material, as the look of it, as the size of it, as... All right, y'all, so onto the little accessories. This is the packaging. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, the packaging on this one, this shit is hard. Okay, Temu. This is like the first one I'm really amazed. Look at the packaging. It look like some fucking Za in this bitch, like some Zaza, like some gas, like. I'm gonna take this one off so y'all can see each piece. This shit came out the packaging tangle, boy. What the fuck? This how it look. Shell necklace, it's pretty cool. So it's 3 layers. It's not that bad. I fuck with it. It's cool. Next we have this one. It's a big Jesus piece. It comes double packaged. Ooh, feel heavy, bro. Like, this actually feel heavy. Like, it's obviously fake, but look. That shit feel a little heavy like. And for what it is, it's pretty cool. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stack them. It's the long one, I will have some up here, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so my next piece is this one. I got some rubies in that bitch. Temu packaging is really, really good. Ooh. And y'all might be asking about the shipping. The shipping really wasn't that bad. It probably took like a couple days for it to come. I'm not gonna count. It's pretty cool, bro. I'm not gonna count. So far, this is my favorite one. This will probably be second because this shit actually feel real. I'm not gonna count. Next, we have this one, stainless steel. Nothing too spectacular. It's just a rosary, you feel what I'm saying? Like some cool shit. All right, so next thing we got is this colorful necklace. It's a double layered necklace. All these chains come with adjustable holes, so you can make it longer, you can make it shorter. I ain't gonna lie, these hard. Some colorful shit, you feel what I'm saying? If I got a colorful fit on, if I wanna add a pop of color, I just throw these on. Last but not least, I got these glasses. My first initial reaction of all of this. Boom. How they look. Maybe it's the hair. Maybe it's the chains, bro. These two are fire, bro. These probably my favorite, bro. These glasses feel cheap as fuck. I feel like if I scratch too hard on this side, they're gonna break. Look at all the pickups. Overall, I give everything like a 7 out of 10, you feel what I'm saying? I'm pretty happy, bro, but I'm really happy with these two, and the glasses are growing on me. And the bag, I hate the bag. Some of the chains feel cheap as hell, but what can you expect when you order from Temu? This hat, horrible. I really hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the gang. It's been your boy D, and I'm out this guy.